Okay, going to zoom in more. Okay, so if there's, I believe all of them are quite clear. Number one is a fraction, and I think people can do that one. So one whole number, 1/3
One
of
whole number,
1/4, right? Is that 1/3 or 1/2? That's 1/3, right?
1/2 of 1/4 plus 5 whole number. It's no one whole number, 1/2 of one whole number. Which one whole number? One over. Wait, let me read it from there. 1/2 of 1/4 plus 5 whole number 1/2 divided by 3 whole number 1. I say 3
Is
over
that
5.
divided by
Yes, sir. Divided by
3
3 over
quarters?
4.
Okay. All right. So this is a board mass question. Which one are we going to do first? Quickly. Which one do we get to?
We should do first change the one whole number 1/2 to improper fraction.
Okay.
Improper.
Okay. That's good. So if you change it to improper fraction, that would be what?
3/2.
4/3, right?
No, sir, I said 3/2.
3/2.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Please look at the question very well now. One whole
One whole
number.
number 1/2. It's to
Is it one?
improper fraction.
Is that 2 or 3? That looks like 3 from here. Oh.
It's 2, sir. It's 2. Sorry to
All right, no problem. All right, so it's 3/2. Okay. All right,
Yes.
3/2. Then you change the up to times, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what happens next?
We do 1/4 times 1/4.
What next?
Nothing can go. So that is making it 3/6. 3/8. 3/8 times 2.
Okay, so 3/8. Okay, so don't worry, we'll get 3/8. Then after that, 3/8 plus what?
3/8 plus 5 whole 11/2.
Now, can you remember? Can you see that division is there? Can you see that division is there?
Yes, sir.
So you have to do that division, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The division is the last one.
But in board maths, division comes before addition now. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So let's do that division. So let's work on the division. So what would the division give us?
3/8. 3/8 times 2/8 divided
No.
by 3/8. No, change to times.
5 whole number, 1/3 divided by 3/4. Is that not what is there?
1/3. 1/3. 1/2 plus 3/4.
Is that plus or divided by? I thought you said that was divided by.
That is divided by. I thought it's saying plus. So
Let's do this. If it's a division, and with the one that is addition, we'll do it later. So 5 whole number, 1/3 divided by 3/4, right?
Yes, sir.
So change 5 whole number, 1/3 to improper fraction. What would that be?
11/2.
11/2. 11/2. Okay, yes, so that means that's 5 whole number, 1/2. Okay, so 11/2 divided by what?
Divided by 3/9. 3/9. I mean 3/4.
So this will now become what? 11/2 times over 3. So that will give us quickly
4 over 3.
11 over 2
11
times
over 2 times 4 over 3. That's there's no 4 over 3. It's 4 over 8. 4 over 8. It's 4
where did you
over
get
3.
8 from now?
It's 4 over 3.
Where did you get 4 over 8 from?
You did nonsense calculation. Yeah, I now did the calculation.
Do you know the part of the question I'm doing? I'm doing the last part of the question. No. 5 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. Have you seen the part I'm talking about?
Yes.
So why are you saying 3 over 8 or 4 over 8? So once we do that, what do we get? What do you get? The 2 can cancel itself, right?
So 2 itself for 2 and 4.
So you're left with 22 over 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have 22 over 3 from the one on the right hand side, and you have 3 over 8 from the one on the left hand side. So 3 over 8 plus 22 over 3. What would that be?
I'm going to first look for the LCM of 8 and
Plus
2.
22
3.
over
That
3.
is
What's
making
the
it
LCM of
24.
it's what?
We have to first look for the LCM. That is
Okay,
making it
LCM is
24.
24. Good. Okay. So we do the LCM 24. So what do we have next?
9
8
plus
okay, 9.
9 plus
9 plus what? 8 times 22 is what?
176. 176.
176. 176 plus 9 is what?
Equals to 180. 184. 184. I mean,
Hmm?
185. 185.
People are funny. Oh. How will you go and say 184? Don't go and make that kind of
I said
mistake.
184. I said that 185. 85. You know, say no, 184. You know that
Okay,
I said 100. When I say, sir, is it not true that I said 184?
24.
You want to say 184 too? Wait, no, it is not.
Calm down now. 185 divided by 24 is what?
This one be 1.
Yes, I understand. But then there's a way you can do it. You know, there's
Division
a way
method.
you can, no, a multiplication trial method. So you can do something like this. You already know that 24 times 10 is 240. So try 24 times 8. You understand that trial method, right?
Yes, sir.
So 8 times 24 is what? 8 times 4 is 30.
4
Uh,
is
8 times 2 is
32.
16 plus 3, 19. 192 is bigger than 185. So let us try 24 times 7, right? Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Let's times 7. 24 times 7. 7 times 4 is what?
28.
28. Good. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 2, that's 16. So that's 168. So I think 7 times work. So it's
Yes,
going
it will give us 100 and
so it's going to give us
168.
so that's going to be 7 times remainder what? 185 minus 168 quickly. That's
24.
going to
24.
are you sure? I
Yes,
don't
sir.
agree. 185 minus 168. 15 minus 8 already is 7. So there's no way it can be ending with anything 4 anywhere.
Oh, sorry,
15 minus
it's not
8.
24. I thought it was 192.
No, no, it's not 192 now. The number that we want to work on is
17.
185. It
We
was
got
17.
17.
Uh-huh.
17 remain over 24.
Now you're talking.
17.
Yes. So 7 whole number, 17 over 24. Now it's quite interesting that number 1 looks like it's tough because it's fraction. But can you see that it's testing your basic understanding of board math?
Mm-hmm. You bring the question.
You want to write it down? I'll put this one in a box because this is when we were doing the trial. What helped us to get the number?
Yes, sir. I think I have to write it number one.
Okay.
So you made a mistake. Which mistake?
Where? Where did I make the mistake? Eh?
Is here. Let me point it out.
Just tell me.
Something
Where did the mistake
when you
happen?
wrote 3 times 2, 3 over 2 times 1 over 4 equals 3 over 8. It's 3 over 8 you wrote. You wrote 3 over 8, not 3 over 6. 3 over 3. You wrote 3
3
over
over
8.
what?
You wrote 3 over 6.
Who told you that I wrote 3 over 6?
It looks like 3 over 6.
Can you remove that annotation that you put there? You're the one that is even making it look confusing more. It's 3 over 8 now.
I don't
If
see
you look,
this curve here.
don't
Wait,
worry, don't
where's
worry.
the other curve?
Since you are thinking it looks like 3 over 6, let me write it again. Is it better now?
Yes.
So please remember, the key to getting the correct answer in this thing is remembering what?
Remembering this,
What? I'm hearing you now. Remembering the what?
the bracket.
Which bracket? Which bracket? Was there any bracket in this question, madam?
Board math. You should remember it as board math.
Please. Division clearly comes before addition. If you are gonna do that addition, I promise you we will not get the same answer. So please
They
remember,
want
but
us to give the same answer.
cannot A. So why do you think that they created board math? It's supposed to help you to get the right answer in situations like this. All right, are you done writing? Are you done writing?
I'm not done. No, yes, no, sir. So I'm done. So she not do anything. She just writing anything she like. And she also cancelled the nonsense thing and she wrote only few of the notes. I'm not even complete the small box here. Tell me you have written the box. You did say that I should write the box. You did not hear. I did not hear. Abi, you explaining
Box is part of it now. The box is part of it. Did you not see what I did inside the box? That box is what helped us know that 7 is the right number to use. Without that box, you wouldn't know that 7 is right. We tried 8. Remember, I started with 10 because I said that 10 times 24 is 240. So 10 is clearly way higher. And I said, okay, let's try 8. I didn't even say let's try 9. Let's try 8 because 8 should be closer to 185. Compare 185 to 240. Then I now said, okay, 8 was still too high. Then I now said, let's try 7. How will you be telling me that you don't know that that box is important too? It's part of our thought process. Have you finished? Let me move on.
So people is almost to the people is at the side that you did the division. It is really done. I'm done, sir. Check your notes very well. I should not construct my notes. No, it's everything you wrote. I wrote. I'm drawing something. The box is due. Am I still writing, madam? Please leave me. I'm not in the class.
All right, let's do number 2.
There's a human being like treasure here.
Please just ignore her. We don't have time. Please. Let's go to number 2. Okay.
2x minus 7 equals 21. Find the value of x.
Yes. Who is doing it? Who is doing it?
This is algebra. Algebra. So collect like CLT. So we move 7 to the other side, and they say when minus move to the other side, it will change to plus. 2x equals to 21 plus 7. 2x equals to 28.
Yeah.
2x doesn't equal to 28 too. 2x equals to 14. This when the why will you so you will leave the 2 uko. You know divide both side by the 2.
That's wonderful. Did I just say 2 equal to 14?
Blood of Jesus. So our answer is 28. So we should do the 2x divided by both sides. That will give us 14.
Yes, I know. But I'm wondering why did Faith make that kind of mistake? Faith, you forgot that the minus, the 7 crossing over will become plus. You forgot.
I did not forget. It's people that say that the answer is no, that the answer that we do 21 minus 7 is 14. That's what people said. What did I say? I said we should do 21 plus 7. That is 28. 28 divided by the 2. I be your ears. I did not see my ears. No need. You know.
Write down what you can see on the screen, and don't make that mistake again.
Wait, why calling my name?
So x is equal to 14.
People stop thinking. You mean? Well, who put your mouth? I put her mouth. I know. Is your mouth? So our favor is done. Number 3.
Okay.
Number 3 says the dash of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is the line drawn from one angle to the opposite angle.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. The dash of a quadrilateral is the line drawn from one angle to the opposite angle.
Line of symmetry is line of symmetry. Complete I know it's money, not symmetry. So it's height. Why do you not length? It's diagonal. It's length. Not a line of symmetry.
So the question now is this. This question is kind of confusing. When you say line drawn from one angle to the opposite angle, so now now let me say something about opposite. When you say an angle is opposite to another angle, I hope you know that that angle, there is no line joining it directly. So, well, if you say line of symmetry, somebody that argues well can still say that line of symmetry is the right answer. But most likely, they were thinking of diagonal. Okay? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
So I want you to use your imagination now. Now, in case you are telling me still in your mind, you are not too sure of what your imagination should be. Let me draw it so you will see what I mean. So this is a quadrilateral. Remember, quadrilateral is a shape that has four sides, right? Isn't it? Uh-huh.
Okay.
So if they say opposite angles, please look at what I'm saying. What I told you, opposite angles is this angle and what this
This
angle. Can you see
angle.
that?
Okay, sir.
Not this angle and this one, no. This angle and this one are adjacent. Did you get that?
Okay, they are adjacent.
They are adjacent. And the reason why they are adjacent is because the same side is touching them. Did you get what I just said?
Okay, sir.
Wait, please pay attention. No. This angle and this other one are opposite. Why? Because the same side is not touching them. You can see the side that is touching this one is this, and the side that is touching this other one is on this other side. So when you draw a line to join them together, that line should most likely be what? Should most likely be what? The diagonal. Did you get that?
Diagonal.
But do
Yes,
you know
sir.
that this same diagonal also is one of the lines of symmetry? So that's why I said that if somebody argues very well, the person can argue that line of symmetry is still correct. Because line of symmetry simply is a line that divides the shape into two equal parts. So that's why I said that this question is an ambiguous question. Ambiguous simply means that it can be interpreted in different ways. So I'll just say that, well, it's a tricky question. So let's go with diagonal for this time, sir. Let's go with diagonal. Okay, so let's go to number 4. Number 4 says, what is the product of the LCM and HCF of the following numbers? 12, 9, and 15. Oh yeah. So you can tell me what is the LCM of 12, 9, and 15? I'm hearing voices in the background.
Treasure. Treasure is the one. Treasure is free. There's the one that say treasure. What the treat now? Do something.
Oh yeah, focus. 9, 12, and 15. What is their LCM?
Favor is annotated. That is 3.
Yes.
3.
Lowest common multiple of 9, 12, and 15.
15 is 3.
Are you listening to yourself at all? Lowest common multiple. I didn't say highest common factor. See, what not paying attention can cause you. Lowest
60.
Huh? It's 60. Are you sure? Did you calculate it?
Yes, sir. 9 to yes. Sir, if you don't believe me and
don't worry, I'm not agreeing. Let's try it. And you see,
it's so
I can't agree because 9 cannot go. Don't annotate. Don't annotate. Because your annotation, this thing is quite big.
No, it's the way people put the thickness.
No problem. Don't worry, just do it as I'm doing it. I don't agree on that 60 because 9 cannot go into 60 without remainder. So that's why I'm not.
Okay. Sorry. It's 30. 180.
Huh?
Our answer is 180.
480.
I don't say 400. I say 100. 100 and see 4.
Are you sure? How did you get one?
Sir. You have become against the law. You are using 4.
9 times 20 is 180. You're wondering why I'm using 4. Well,
against the
you want to be fast and you are moving quickly. That Used to before use small numbers may not really help you. So I use
But
4.
they will beat us. In our school, if we do nonsense, like if we do big, even though they will give us enough time to do.
Okay,
They
okay,
will
no
beat
problem.
us. Ah!
But
Can't beat
just
us.
remember that in this case, nobody's looking at your working. That doesn't now mean you should start guessing, but it means that you should make sure that your working is what very, very correct. Oh yeah, what is the HCF?
The
What's
HCF
the
for me, it is 3.
Are you sure it's 3?
Yes, the HCF of
So
it is
HCF
3.
is 3. Oh yeah, so what did the question say? The question said, what is what the product of the LCM and HCF? So 3 times 180 is what? Quickly. 3 times 100
3 times 180 is
3 times 18 is what?
500 and
Yes, I like that.
540.
Beautiful. 540. That's good. Correct. So the answer is 540. So you can write it down. Okay, you guys already calculated it now. So no need to write
I
change it.
know. We did not write inside our book because your name told
Oh,
us to write.
okay. All right. Please write it.
Three, four, five, four, one, one, five, five, one, nine,
Okay.
11.
Okay. Can we go to number 5 now?
No, not number 5, number 4. Which number 4? This number 4 that we not do like this. So what is now number 3? You say is number 4. Yeah.
Yeah, be on diagonal now. Yeah, forgotten. Okay.
I did
Number
not
5.
write it.
Number 5 is a right angle triangle. Who can tell me which theorem of this? Can
Right
tell
angle
me which?
triangle.
Yes, right angle triangle. Looks like a simple question. Which theorem will
So
we?
is it a right angle triangle or is that hypotenuse and the opposite?
This is an example of a right angle triangle. That's the first thing you should understand. Uh-uh. I'm surprised that you're asking that question. No. Please. And if you have forgotten, let me give you a preview. You see why I said that we should do a different set of questions. I'll make sure that it's a new set of questions. We have not really seen right angle triangle so far, but I know that we have done a question like this. Right angle triangle is a triangle that has what? 90 degrees, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So now, what are the characteristics of a right angle triangle? Yes, it has one of the sides that is the longest, called the hypotenuse. Do you understand now?
Okay, sir.
Please. So it's not that the type of triangle is hypotenuse. No, it has a side called the hypotenuse. Now, so who can tell me the theorem that will help us to solve this? And that person will be my mathematician of the moon.
Yes, sir. We will do
Diana,
x
no,
plus
I didn't say. You didn't hear my question. I didn't say we will do. I didn't say what will we do. I said what is the name of the theorem we will use to solve this? Mathematician of the
that.
month. Going,
Sir,
going.
I see.
What is the name of the theorem that will help us to solve this question? Going,
Hypotenuse.
going.
Hey. Hypotenuse. Sir, B. Hypotenuse. B.
Gone. Gone. What did I say? Gone. Nobody. Both of you. None of you qualify to be my mathematician of the moon. But you plus say mathematician, so but no mathematician of the moon. The name of the theorem is Pythagoras theorem. What did I say?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras what?
Theorem.
Theorem. You forgotten. See? Oh yeah, now apply it. Who wants to apply it for us? Who wants to apply it for us?
Leave me alone.
You're angry.
Before he's angry with you.
You should be
Before
angry
he's
about
angry with you.
eh?
You see the way people's faces. See the way our faces.
If you are angry, you should be angry with yourself. Don't be angry with another person. Just focus. You see, you remember it. I know that this thing is we have discussed it before. All right, let's apply it. Let's apply it. 10, 8, x. Can we apply it? At least you I'm sure let's see if you can remember how to apply it. You cannot remember the theorem, at least remember how to apply it. Oh yeah, you still have a chance to redeem yourself. Application.
So to be
Yeah.
x equals to
What
x
is
equals to
equal
8.
8? Did somebody just say 8? Is 8 the hypotenuse? Even after you talked, you almost called the theorem hypotenuse theorem. I know now.
That is
Now.
no,
Because
it's
it's
fate.
hypotenuse theorem
That is
in our
the
village.
theorem that is x.
That our village where they used to have hypotenuse theorem, which I refuse to visit. Please, it's Pythagoras theorem. Oh yeah, apply it. What should we have outside?
The x.
It's not X. Not X. Please. These people have forgotten this theorem. Even the application, don't forget.
So when you're writing the thing on the screen, people will be following you to write it.
That is what is causing her not to be able to answer my questions now. She's focusing on other things.
Not on her studies. So I remember x square plus
Plus what?
plus
Talk
8 square.
Plus 8 squared. Okay. Oh yeah. So now you have figured this out. What should I do next?
You should collect like x equals to
So I
10
should collect
square
items.
minus 8 square. Yes, sir.
Okay, so 10 squared minus 8 squared. Okay, I like that. Oh yeah, what should I do?
10 square
Okay.
minus 8. 10
Yes.
square minus 8 squared
Now,
equals to 2.
what is
Hey! God Almighty, save me.
careful, oh. Be careful.
Okay,
There are some
I'm
things
sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
like
You.
squared is what?
It is 19.
Uh,
36. 36.
uh,
36. So it's 19. 18.
people are
10.
well done, oh. All of you, well done. Well done, very well. 100 minus 64 is what?
36.
It's 36. Good. This one is 18 from. People are wonderful.
I wish
So
18 divided by 2.
what is divided by what? Are we multiplying by 2 that we're dividing by 2? Please correct yourself quickly. Now.
Divided by. We're going to divide it by.
Division, the opposite. That's the question you should ask yourself. Why should you say division? Is division the right thing to do?
No,
I told
sir.
you at this point, you look for the opposite of what is happening here. What is happening here? Is it not squared?
Yes, sir. 36.
This is the
So
opposite
the
of
square
squared.
root of that is 6. I want to say 6.
Hmm. So
Mm-hmm.
what? 6. Okay. So the answer is 6. You can write
6.
it down. Please, oh, I call this thing what? Pythagoras theorem. I'll put it in brackets there. So when you're writing it in your book, please draw everything that you see me draw here. I do not waste my time to draw it too. It's for you to also sketch it. It's not. I'm not doing this. Please, no. Let me change that. This thing. That thing doesn't look like A. Okay. C D E. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem. This small one that I'm drawing is the statement for Pythagoras theorem. Don't. It's not. Don't when you are writing it in your book. Write it. Put it inside the box. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Pythagoras theorem states that c squared equals d
Treasure,
squared
you know you're going to sit at your
plus
work and you're still playing with it.
c squared. I told you to pretend that treasure is not there. Did I not just say that? And you are busy talking to her as you are writing. That's how you want to. That's how you want to concentrate, Abi.
No, this is wait. Before you now say it's me. Sir, I did not say it's you.
I know who it is
Sir,
now. I'm
it's
about who it is. I'm just
sir, the
make
phone
we should
was ringing
focus.
and I told you to go and get me. Done. Sir, can we move to numbers? Not yet. You know why you're shouting? I should not shout. Yes, you should not shout. I should not shout. That's how
Have
the
you?
other day you left me out.
Eh? Have
The
you
boy
written
is
everything?
shouting. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Please write it. Oh. Pythagoras theorem.
Sir,
That's
she has not
THS.
yet drawn the Pythagoras theorem. And she's not saying it. She just joining down. I'm not joining the notes that Mr. Charles is writing. And you not said you were done. Yes, I was when done. Was he writing it call you with this skinny hair? You were not done with everything, madam. You don't mind them. Why in that? You don't mind your business. Like that. You neck. I'm making my neck like chicken for your information, by the way. I'm not like you like cause yourself.
All
You
right.
know
So,
me.
so let's not forget this next time. Pythagoras theorem. It's very, very helpful. You can see what it has helped us to do.
Yes, sir. Sir, don't forget. Number
As
six
I
says if R equals to 4, it's still talking.
triangles. Did you hear what I said? It's only
No,
for
sir,
what?
sir, when Faith is rushing to go and read the other question. No, sir, I do not hear you. I don't even hear you. I was saying that Faith, calm down. You still saying something. You don't even hear me. I'll be your ears playing music. Yes. Hey, Joe.
Let's forgive her. She said she did not hear us. So let's forgive her.
Sir, Faith is still writing. She's still calling me a chicken. My head is looking like a chicken. I did not say your head. You did not hear say it. I mean, my ear is paining me. My ear is blocked with cotton wool.
Oh, it's
No.
okay.
Hi, deaf.
Yes.
You call yourself deaf. I did not say
Yes.
that.
Why would you be
Me, I
calling
call
somebody?
myself. It's
Please,
people that say
giving people names
that
in class
I
and then please.
Is there not a question?
Can we go to number 6 now?
Yes, sir. If R equals to 4, S equals to 3, T equals to 2, find the value of 3R plus S minus T.
Okay, so how will we do this question? Do you know that this question is a simple
We will
question?
do
You know,
3R. What
just
is
say,
R? We will do 3R. 34 plus
eh?
3 equals 36. Hey,
But not 3.
Hey.
Whenever you see a number in front of a letter, what does it tell you? Whenever you see a number in front of a letter, what does it tell you? Talk to me.
Algebra. It says
Algebra. So algebra, and what is happening?
Instead of numbers, it's now with letters. But the letters, they give us what the letters represent.
So that 3R is another way of saying 3 times R, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 3 times 4 is what?
12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13, 13, 13.
Have you seen it now?
Yes, sir.
Now you've already done 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus, what is S? S is what? Focus, focus, focus. What is S?
S is 3.
So 12 plus 3 is what?
12 plus 3, 15.
Then finally, S minus T. So that's 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is what?
13. 13, I not say 20. I not say 20. It's not you. I'm not talking to you.
So can you see it now?
But some
Can you
people,
see Hello, I asked the question. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir. Some people cannot. Some people will choose their answer as normal 13 like that. But
13
they are
divided
forgetting by 2. That is 6.5 or 6.5.
So can you write it down in your book the way we just said it? Can you write it down in your book the way we just said it? Or you want me to write it?
No, sir, don't write it. Don't write it. Sir, write it. Don't write. Sir, write it. Memory. Memory. Sir, favor is done.
Okay.
Bring it, let me see.
Okay, so I think our final answer is what? 6.5, right?
So please don't spare me a minute. I need to go and change my pen. My pen is faulty. Again and again.
Just like that. As I'm coming back like this.
Give my pen, I beg. Give my pen. I want to please go to like to change it to change.
Number 1/3. All right. So let's do number 7, then we'll go on break. 5 minutes break. Express in figure the Roman numeral MCDIX. MCDIX. M is already 1,000, right?
Yes, sir. 1,409. That is C. I solved the question in that my head.
9. Are you sure about that answer?
Sir, she's not sure. I'm sure. M is 1,000. CD is 400. And it is 409. What did I say?
Correctly. Wait though. Okay, yes. It's right. Yes. 400. CD is 400. Okay, so let's take a 5 minutes break. We'll be back here by 10:10.
Thank you, sir. Okay? Thank you. Yes, sir.
Don't waste time. Exactly.
I got a new pen. My dad gave me a new pen. I
Oh,
know
you
if I
got a
took
new pen.
another, I asked my daddy for a new pen. If I took from my mom, it would stop working. Now that I know about that pen, it's fake. All the pen she's holding is fake.
Uh-uh. You know, people have told me this thing before, and it sounds funny, but it's fine. As long as you have a one that works, right? That's the important thing.
No, my daddy have one that we scan it on any pen. So we take the real pen, not the fake pen. My mom will buy any pen she sees. That's the number.
Okay, so we're good. All right, can you see my screen? Now,
Sir, this number 8 is simple. Who do not know
eh,
this thing? Why degree plus 45 degree plus 65 degree equals to 180 degree? Who do not know that one?
mhm,
180, eh?
yes, correct. I
Which
like that. All right, next. What should you do next?
we do y degree plus 45 plus 65 equals to 110. 110 equals to 180 degree. We will collect like
Okay,
y degree equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree equals to
correct.
70 degree. Who did not know that one?
Okay. Hmm, that's good. I like that.
So do you know that I did not go on break? I collected pen, came back here to the class and solved it, and people is still drawing. Hey, what's that? Sorry, girl, come and lie. I know
What is
now.
favor? What
And
is
she's still
favor
drawing. I've stopped.
that is drawing?
Yes, sir. She was supposed to solve something, she did not want to solve, she was drawing. She and Treasure with. Which draw? Treasure was not drawing anything. She came to ask me something. And I said, okay, that she should help me do. It's not drawing, she's doing. She's drawing, she's doing beat for you. I think I did not know. Yes, left
108
interest.
minus 110 will give us 70. So I hope you've written it down in your book.
I'm the one that I written it. Writing it in. I wrote it in. I've written it. I didn't even say it. You said I've written it. I've written
Favor,
it in, sir.
can you forgive your sister for goodness sake? Nobody is perfect now. Can't somebody make mistake?
When I'm about to do novena, you have already joined and you said that we should start
All right.
class. I
So number
want to do an action number 9. How many pieces of wire 25 centimeter long can be cut from a roll of 6 meter long?
from a road 6 meters long. Okay. So how will we do this question? Who can tell me?
How
Uh-huh.
many pieces of wire 25 long we can be cut 6 meter long? So we
Uh-huh. We'll
want
first
to
do what?
make 1 meter. That is times 100. Yes.
Times 100.
100 centimeter makes 1
Hmm?
meter.
Okay. Uh-huh. What
So how
next?
to make 6 meters? That is 600 centimeters.
That's what?
So we convert that 6 meters to 600 centimeters. Then
Yeah. Then do what next? Uh-huh. I'm listening now. Talk. Yeah, right. Go ahead now.
then do minus 25.
Minus. Minus. I don't agree.
I mean divided by 25.
Hmm. It has
So
to be
5
divided by 5. Let me explain. Hold on. The reason why it's divided by is because they said how many Did you see that word, that phrase? How many pieces can be cut? So it is asking you how many times are we going to see 25 centimeters in 6 meters? So yes, you started correctly by converting it to what? Centimeters first. Because that 6 meters will not allow you to see how big 6 meters is in centimeters. So it now showed you that it's what? 600. So 600 divided by 25 will give you
So
what?
if we divide this by 5, it's 120.
Uh,
120 divided by this is 5 here, 5 here, 1. 5 in 120 is 84.
it was.
What?
It was now.
So that is 20.
24.
That's 24, yes, sir. 24. The answer is 24 times. Oh, I get 24 times. 24
Okay.
down. 24
All right.
down.
So 4 times. So I think the option is 4.
So before I did not understand it now. Before I did not understand it. But now to explain to us,
Okay.
I now understand.
Good.
Even they told us that Jesus said that she talked to you. I know where the rope is. You know that mommy is where you keep your clothes. The last side, check if there is. Yeah, if there's not.
Okay.
Number
Are we
10.
done?
Sir, I know this number 10.
You know number 10.
Yes, sir.
But I don't have number 10. No.
Yeah. Excuse
I,
me.
I
Mommy,
think,
just slap this side.
okay.
Slap
have,
only one side,
can
not
you
slap
take it,
10.
uh, can you take it to her so that she can just snap the page that has number 10? Well, I'm sure we'll not need more than that for today. Maybe if she can snap number 10 and then the one after number 10 so that we'll not disturb her again next time.
Point 30.
Okay, I think she has sent it. Perfect. Lovely. Yes, this is good. Wait, where did you now go now? Is it not favor that carried the book?
Ready to go. Ooh. So as we're waiting for people, I can solve some questions that I do.
Okay. All right. So we're going to number 10. Okay. So number 10, what does number 10 say?
Number 10 says A over 5 equals to 60 over 4, and the answer is 75. Where? Number 10. Number 10.
Yes,
Read it.
come again, Faith. A over 5 is equal to what? 60 over what?
A over 5 is equal. Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
A. Yeah.
Go ahead now.
A over 5 equals. A over 5 equals to 60 over 4.
So what did you get as your answer?
75.
Did you do cross multiplication?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So I can go to number 11 now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it's correct to 75.
I know it's correct. I just want to write it since I've started.
Times 5. So 60 times 5 is 300.
You can start evaluating it. Shebi, I told you people that you can save yourself time. Well,
Yes,
anyway,
sir.
60 times 5 is
I
easy.
said that way. I thought that you should just do 60 times
Yeah,
5
just choose which
plus
one.
4
Which one you want to,
over 4.
yes,
And
over
that
4. Which one did
gave
you now
me.
do? Now did 4 into 60, right?
Yes, sir.
It gave you 15, and then 15 times 5 is,
15.
yes, 15 times 5 is 75. Okay, nice. Let's go to number 11. What does number 11 say?
11 says, how many lines of symmetry are there in the figure below?
Good. What kind of figure is this? What kind of triangle is this? Who can tell me?
Quadrilateral triangle.
Eh?
I mean a
What kind of triangle?
equilateral triangle.
This equilateral,
I said
please.
equilateral.
Yes,
It's
now let me ask you a question. Please follow my question. No, just listen to my question. How many lines, how many strokes of line are on this side? 2, right?
yes, sir. 2 means it's equal.
How many strokes are on this side? 2, right?
2.
How many strokes are on this side?
2.
Okay. So that means all the sides are equal. So yes, you're right. That's why it is called but I think you initially called it quadrilateral. Okay. All right. So let us check all the lines of symmetry. Are we ready? Let me use a different color.
Yes, sir.
And let's do the lines of symmetry. Are we ready? Let's go. Number 1. This is number 1 line of symmetry. 1. Are you counting?
Yes, sir. 2.
2.
That side. And 3.
Don't worry, we'll come to it. And what? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that all? Yes, I think that's all. So that means there are how many lines?
1, 2, 3.
Good girl. Okay. So that's 3 lines of symmetry. So you're right. All right. So this one you have to sketch it. There's no calculation for this one. Just sketch it like that. 3 lines of symmetry. And please take note, this is because it was equilateral. If it was isosceles, I hope you know it's not going to be 3 lines. I hope you know that. No, for isosceles, I think yes. For isosceles, let me see. Isosceles has only 2 that are equal. Yes, it will only be 1.
That's what our provider said.
Yes, you're right. Okay.
So I'm finding it difficult with number 12. Anyway, let me see.
Number 12, is it difficult?
What is the sum of the place values of 2 and 1? 2 and 1
Place
in the
value.
Okay. Sorry. I understand. No. Understand it. Sorry, sir. I sorry, sir. I forgot. I did only this number. Jesus. I did for only number one instead, and I supposed to do it of what
Oh,
and
both of them, right?
hey.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So it's
Don't worry.
210. 210.
I agree with that. Yes, because the place value for 200, the place value for one is 10. So it's 210. All right. Can we go to the number 13? Write it in your book. Oh,
People write it.
I'm not
Sir,
writing
that
it down.
number
Favor.
11. People did not draw the shape.
Favor. What is the meaning of that? Is that how we
That's
do?
only 3 lines of symmetry.
Is it just to draw that shape that it's hard? It's difficult for you. Please draw it so that it will help you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I hope that should not take you time. Number 13, the amount of liquid
Number
a
13.
container can hold is called the capacity, and the amount of space it occupies is called its what?
God is volume. Volume.
Yes, yes, I agree.
No,
It's
it's
volume.
called it. Simply.
Okay.
Volume.
All right. Can we go to number 14? Number 13
If
is not.
280 naira is
Yes,
to
go ahead now.
if 280 naira is to be shared between Ilian and Ikon in the ratio 2:3. How
Uh-huh.
in how many equal parts will the money be shared?
Yes. This is a tricky question. Let me see who will get it. In how many equal parts will the money be shared?
So I just give up. We'll calculate it.
There's nothing to calculate here. Look at it very well. That question is the answer is looking at you like this. Look at it. In how many equal parts? They didn't say how much will ENA get, how much will Inokon get. They didn't ask you that. Look at the question carefully. In how many equal parts will the money be shared? No,
6.
I don't agree. You are going to multiply that. Hold on,
56.
before you start guessing. You are going to go and multiply 2 by 3. Wrong. Are you supposed to multiply or add? Are you supposed to multiply
Sorry,
or
five.
add? Hmm? People just disappointed me now. It's 5. 2 plus 3 is what?
Did you
5.
not say 6? I said sorry. Sorry,
Now,
you're
do
the
you
one that said
understand the question? Can you see why I said the question is very easy and that the answer was looking at you?
so I did not really understand this number 14. I even thought that would be
Don't worry. No, let me explain it. Had it been the question had said, how much will each person collect? I know you are thinking, okay, you will first say 2 plus 3, 5, right?
Yes, sir.
You will now say 2 over 5 times 280. You see that 5? That 5 is the number of equal parts. But because we know that they didn't collect equally, that's why we're doing 2 over 5 times 280. And then later 3 over 5 times 280. Do you understand it now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So 5 is the number of equal parts that the money will be shared. So the question is the tricky question. You didn't even need to calculate anything. 2 plus 3 is 5. Sharp, sharp. You move on to the next number. All right. Let's go to number 15.
5:15 says Mr. Polo bought 5 crates of 30 bottles of Fanta each. On the way home, he drank 5 bottles and drove 25 bottles. What
Wow.
percentage of the crates left? Okay. Bought 5 crates of
Yeah.
30
Tricky
bottles
question
of
again. You have to
Fanta.
be careful. 5
One
crates
of
of 30 bottles of Fanta each. So if in one crate there's 30 bottles of Fanta, then how many bottles of Fanta will there be altogether in 5 crates? That's the first question you ask yourself.
Sir?
Yes. There are 30 bottles of Fanta in each crate. How many will be in 5 crates altogether? Yes.
35, sir. So you drank 5 bottles. That is 25 bottles are left.
About what he drank.
What is the percentage of the?
What he
How
drank.
many?
Favor, are you listening to me at all?
Yes.
Favor, are you listening to me?
Okay.
Ah. So Favor, you are not even listening.
You're not listening. I said 5 bottles broke. Oh, now. What's your name?
Faith, can you get closer to the system? Now, let's look at the question together now. We're trying to reason out the question, isn't it? Can we establish how many bottles there are altogether first? Can we do that?
30.
How many bottles are there?
150.
Good. Now, on the way, he drank 5 bottles. So that's 150 minus 5, right?
Yes, sir. That is 145.
145. Good. He broke 25 bottles. 145 minus 25.
125. I mean 120.
Okay, 120. Now, they said what percentage? Did you notice that they didn't say how many were left? Had it been they said how many were left, what would have been our answer? Who can tell me?
120.
Yes, thank you very much, Faith. 120. Now, but they're asking us for percentage. So what are we going to do to that 120 to make it a percentage? Percentage of what? 120 over what?
120 over 150 times 100.
Over 1. Thank you very much. 120 over 150 times times 100 over 1. Favor, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are 80% of crate left. 80% of crate that is missed. 80%.
8%.
120.
Okay. So let's capture our ideas down. So the first one we said 30 times 5, right?
Yes, sir.
That's how we got 100 and what? 50.
50. That's how Favor was saying. You see now.
Favor.
But we would not do 120 that we got. 120 that we minus everything. Divided by 150.
150
100.
minus what? 5, right? He drank
Yes,
5
sir.
and
Because
we got 145. Then 25 broke. I don't know how he was so careless, but 25 broke. So that's
minus
145.
25.
Minus 25.
That is 120. That's 120 now divided by 150. That's
yes.
Yes, 120 divided by 150 times 100 over 1. Cancel zeros. 5 in 5. 3 can go in 50. We always 3 can go in 12. That is 4. 3 can go in 15. That is 5. 5 into 100 is 20.
Favor, is it confusing? Why are you looking like that? Huh? Why are you looking like that? You are shaking your head. I asked a question. Why are you looking like that as if the thing is confusing you?
So when we multiply it, we cancel this 0. We cancel this 0. We do 3 can go in 15. That is 5. 3 can go in 12. That is what is that called? 4.
4, yes.
We will now do 5 in 5 is in itself is 1. 5 in 100 is 20.
Yes.
So 20 times 4 is what? 80. That's where we got our 80 from.
Oh yeah, you can write, please.
Then kiss.
Favor is doing as if she did not sleep in the night.
We were talking mathematics and English.
Eh?
She cannot.
Favor, you did not sleep last night. Hmm?
She slept.
So why are you looking like that? I'll tell your mom to pour water on your face. So do you want your mommy to pour cold water on your face so that you will wake up? Better brighten up your face. So if not, that's what she's going to do. No, 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 no. Those days when we wake up from sleep and we don't want to sleep again, we go and look for water to put on our face so that we'll
Put
stay
water on
awake.
our face.
Sometimes we'll put our legs inside water, but don't do it too. Put our legs inside cold water so that we'll not sleep.
If we do that thing to favor, we will face slap that person. One day I'm talking for she
Okay, can we go to number 16 now?
Yes, sir. A woman bought 200 oranges and sold 40% of them on the market day. How many oranges will she have left? So it's a simple question. 40 over
Hold on, let's
100 times.
Faith. Hold on, let Favor do it for us. I have Favor over to you.
Okay, sir. So it says, a woman bought 400 oranges and sold 40% of them on the market day. How many oranges will she have left? So we're going to do 200 over 400 and 100 over 1.
200 over 400. Favor.
40, 400 times 200 over
Favor. Favor.
Really waking up from sleep.
What's the problem? Are you just answering anyhow? You are not even processing your thoughts again. What's the problem? I didn't expect you to give me that answer at all. I so didn't expect it. I mean, even if it's a percentage, 40% is already 40 over 100. Why are you now saying 200 over 40 over 100? It doesn't make sense now. So let's even look at the 40% itself. When you are reading that question, this is what was going on in my mind. 40%, she has sold it. When you sell something, 40% out of 100%, how many percentage is left? How many percent do we have left? 40 out of 100. How many percentage do we have left? Talk to me. 40 out of 100 is what? Subtract 40 from 100. Is this difficult?
60.
It's surprising me. It's taking you 5 minutes to subtract 40 from 100.
What did I do?
Now.
No, we said 80. I mean 60. We said 60.
Now, 60%. In other words, are you listening to me? In other words, 60% is left. So can't you just quickly say 60% times 200? And that is our answer. You don't even need to start doing 40% of 200. When you get your answer, subtract it from 200. That's a waste of time. Just quickly take your 60%, multiply it by 200, get your answer. Because they are after the one that is what? Left. Did you get that? Did you get that? Let me write it down. Maybe you will understand it better when I write it down. The woman sold, she has already sold it, and something that you sell is taking like subtraction. she sold what? 40%. And we remember that thing I told you guys, that anytime you have percentage, you're dealing with percentage. Total percentage is always what? 100%. So if you sold 40%, therefore, what is left? 100 minus 40, which is what?
60.
For
100
anything.
minus 40 is 60.
That 10 minus 4 is 6. I mean, quickly, your mind has already processed it. 60%. So 60% is what is
60
what?
over 100. 60 over 100 times 200.
Yes. So this is 60% left. Please write it like this inside your book. Oh. Just follow my process, my line of thought. So 60% is left. So now remember, they didn't ask you what percentage is left. They said how many are left. Anybody that goes and writes 60% as the answer, that the person is on their own. So you are going to do what? 60 over 100 times what?
Times 200 over 1.
Thank you very much. Times 200 over 1. That's
100
good.
can go into 100 2 times. So 100
Very,
into
very
100 is 2. 2 times 60 is 120 oranges left.
correct. I like that. Very easy mathematics there. And the good thing about this thing is that the more people are doing it like this, by the time you enter that exam hall, this kind of question, it looks like something that you can do everything in your head. I'm telling you, you can do everything in your head. You just be surprised. If you have already gotten 60% that is left in your head, I mean, by the time you process 100, 200, it's 2 times. So 2 times 60 is 120. Have you not already answered it? So
Yes, sir.
I hope you are done writing.
No, sir, no, I don't.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
100 60 times 2 equals 120 oranges. So what we can move people can we move to 17?
Okay, that's
We
good.
can move to
17.
17. In 1
All right.
minute, a snail crawled 25 centimeters. How fast
Yeah.
can it crawl in 1 second?
Wow. How fast? Did you notice that they didn't say how far? How fast?
You know how
So
fast can it crawl? You know how fast?
yes, how fast? They're asking us for what? The speed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very much. Once your mind can detect what a question needs, you have already solved it halfway. I'm telling you, do you agree with me? Do you girls agree with me?
Yes, sir. So
Once
that's how it was
your
equals
mind
to do.
can detect what a question really wants, you have already solved that question. 50% of the question, you have already solved it. Getting what the answer is at the end of the day is very, very easy. So now we have established that is the speed this question wants. What do we do next? Okay, let me help you. I know this question is a bit tricky. Let me help you. If we've established that it is speed that it needs, speed, what's the formula for speed? Who can tell me?
Distance divided by time.
Distance covered divided by time taken. That's another way of saying it. I know we've not said it that way, but for this question, let's say it like that. Distance covered divided by what? Time taken. Now, this so-called snail crawled 25 centimeters. That's the distance it covered. In what time did it take to do that? 1 minute. How many seconds are there in 1 minute?
60.
Good. 60 seconds make 1 minute. So that means distance covered 25 centimeters divided by time taken 60 seconds. 25 divided by 60 will give me what? Yeah. Okay, so don't worry because your minds are finding it hard to process. Favor is already drifting. It's like she's going to cloud 11. Come back, oh, we're not traveling anywhere. Better come back here. So distance, we said that speed is what we established. Speed, let me write it there. Speed equals what? Distance over time equals d over t. Who can remember that triangle I showed you people? That triangle I showed you that helps you to remember the formula for speed. Yes? Okay, Favor said she remembers. Are you sure? Favor, you like this? That yeah, your eyes are looking like they want to close the next minute. Are you sure you can remember it?
I'm still trying to remember it.
Okay, don't worry. Let me remind you. This is how the triangle looks. Then speed is on. Speed is here.
Yes, I remember. Speed is there. Distance is there. Time is
Yeah,
there.
over
They even
t.
showed us in class. How come they showed us this? They showed us in class.
In class. So that is making two places you've seen it. So you cannot afford to forget it. Okay. So speed equals distance covered over time taken. So we said the distance is what? 25 centimeters. Now, do you know what can confuse some people? They will go and be thinking because 60 seconds is bigger than, appears bigger than 25. We will now go and say 60 over 25. Please don't ever fall for that kind of trick or mistake. Please, I'm begging you. A formula never changes. It doesn't change because one number is bigger than the other one. No, please don't.
I don't even care about it. The number is big or
So,
small.
yes, just put it where it belongs. Don't worry. It will highest. It will lead to a decimal. We'll handle it. Oh yeah, Favor. Over to you. Prove yourself quickly. 5 in 25.
5 in 25 is 5. 5 in 60 is 12. 5
Good.
in 60
Good.
is 12. Sir, I want to ask you a
You
question.
really,
When I did
really Favor.
when I calculated my own was 5 over 12. So I
Yeah.
was thinking that every
Now, do you
second
like
you was doing 5 over 12
5?
centimeters. You draw
Yes,
5
yes.
over
Okay.
12.
Yes, you can. No, see how you can interpret it. You are trying to interpret 5 over 12, right? Yes, you can look at it this way. For every 12 seconds, that snail covered 5 centimeters. That's another way you can say it. For every 12 seconds, the snail covered 5 centimeters. However, if you look at the options that we have there, can you see that none of the options give us 5 over 12? We have to change it to what? We have to change it to decimal. Oh yeah, over to you. 12 in 5 is what?
So that time that I usually be doing 12 in this is 0
Yeah.
point
0, go ahead
4,
now. 0 point what?
0.42, 0.42.
0.42, madam. 0.42. Hmm?
Sorry.
And carry us and enter bush after you have already given us the correct thing before. Okay, so yes, let me see. I think you're correct. 60 minus 48 is 2. Uh, is it 4-2? Are you sure it's 4-2? Because I'm
Zero
looking at
point
12,
four
12 in
zero
50,
go. I'll go.
12 in 20 is one time now. 12 times 1 is 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, I understand why it is 4-2. Because by the time you now say 80, 12 in 80, 12 in 80 is what? Is 6, right? 6 times 12 is 72, isn't it?
Please.
So, yes, faith is right. So it's 0.42 because by the time you approximate that 0.416 to two decimal places, right? It becomes 0.42. Favor, I hope you are with us.
Why not the answer? Just cleaning my face.
Favor, I hope you are with us. Now, who can tell me what the unit will be? Who can tell me the unit? Let me see.
Centimeter per second.
Yes. Centimeter what? Go ahead.
Centimeter per second.
Thank you very much. Centimeter per second. Now let me show you one secret. Some other books, and I'm showing you this because you may see it in another exam like this. Some other books, instead of them to write centimeter per second, see how they write it. 0.42 cm. Watch this. Instead of them to write slash second, they will write s and then put -1. I know you're wondering, how is that supposed to be the same? Yes. Centimeter per second is the same way, is the same thing as cm per second, second -1. That second -1 is the same thing as over second. Okay, don't worry about it, but just write the one that you know. Don't worry, let's not go into it.
0.42 centimeter per second.
Still saying it. This girl, I will. Okay, don't worry. Your mom will spank you for me. After I've corrected you, you're still saying 0.42.
0.42.
Better. 0.42. Okay, go ahead and write, please. So now, do you remember that time we were doing a speed question, one speed and distance question that I said that sometimes the unit of speed is not always kilometer per hour? Who remembers? Favor, you remember, right? You don't remember. All the was serious.
No, she said she woke up by 12 o'clock.
Otio. Favor, wake up, wake up, wake up. Don't worry, we'll soon be done with. I know you need your weekend sleep very well. Don't worry, we'll soon be done. Just bear with me for a bit and we'll be done very soon.
Okay, sir. Sir, would you give us an assignment on this number 17 question? What's number 17 question? It's interesting.
It's very simple. This one, we've been doing speed, distance, and time questions a lot now. Do you need homework on this one?
Yes, sir. I want to.
I think I've given you questions on this one before.
No, you have never given us on this before.
One that you need, maybe the one I'll give you more questions in would be the one for Pythagoras theorem. Even that one self is quite.
Yeah. Okay, I'll practice my Pythagoras.
You should. It's okay. No problem. I'll find questions and give you for you. But if we have exam on Monday now.
Yes, sir. Exam is stopping on Wednesday.
Stopping when?
I don't know. It's Wednesday. People will be saying it's Wednesday.
Most likely, it may be Wednesday or Friday.
But only CBT yesterday. But only CBT. CBT we are going to write on Monday.
CBT does not usually take time now, does it?
No, but grade 4 have never done their Thursday CBT mathematics.
So that's it.
So they have done it. I saw them.
They say they are preaching Wednesday. Not Wednesday. Yes, I'm sure it's Friday.
Hey.
So don't worry. I'll give you homework, but it may not be today. So you guys can focus on your papers for Monday.
Okay. Number 18 says, what must be added to 259 to obtain 978?
Okay. That's a simple question. Who can answer that for us? What must be added to 259 to obtain 970? That question is a bit wrong. If you look at that thing, it should not be 70, 80. It should be 78. I don't
Yeah,
know.
there's
Maybe
supposed
the person
we
was
supposed to
typing.
remove the y. Let me
Yes.
just do a small cancel to the y. It will now become
All right. So it's just 78. All right. What must be added now? By the time you're seeing questions like this, by your mind is already doing the calculation. 269.
19.
What must be
719.
9 to give us
719 must be added to 259.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Favor, do you agree
Yes,
with that?
978. So minus 259. It cannot go in 9. So we'll borrow from 796. 18 in 9 is 9. 9 in 6 in 5 is 1. 9 in 2 is 7. Hey!
Did you say 9 in 9 minus 2? Which one is 9 in 2? Don't go and be saying what you don't know, madam.
9 minus 2. 9 minus 2.
9 in 2. Are we dividing that you're saying 9 in 2? It's 9 minus 2, because. Okay, let's move. So we can go to number 19, right?
Should we finish it to 20?
Yeah,
I want to sleep.
let's get to 20. I think we can stop at 20.
Number 19 says Ade and Afez were given 600 naira to buy their clothes. Afez
Yes.
gets 120 more than Ade. How much
Yes.
does each get?
They are not done. Is that the end? See, she doesn't want to
Each
say
get
that one.
respectively.
So that means Ade's own must come first, followed by Afiz's own. Now remember, Afiz gets 120 more than Ade. So what does that tell me? If I'm using algebra to solve this thing, and I say Afiz, what letter should represent Afiz?
So this question is not correct.
Very,
There's
very
not any
correct.
typographical error. The answer is looking right in front of. They say I said Afis gets 120 more, 120 naira more than a day. If we minus it, Ade's own is 480. Yes. Ade's own
So
is
look at this. Look at how me I will solve it. So just look at how I will solve it. Ade,
only
let's say
380 naira. Why? Well, the Aquaria own is 260 naira. This 120 more. Get 120. More. So 120
yes,
no, 120 plus 260. It
where
is
did you
now
get 200?
380. Hey, where did you get that one from?
200 from? Please, if you are confused about this thing, just use algebra and solve it. They said that Afiz got 120 more than Ade. Imagine that Ade's own is A alone. Afiz's own will be what? A plus what? 120. Now, their total amount of money that they shared was what? 600. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you just say simple. A plus what? A plus 120. You add it together. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Equals to what? Talk to me, girls. Equals to what?
A plus 120. Yeah, good. Equals to 600.
Now, A plus A is what? 2A. Favor is not looking at my. What is she looking at? Well done, no Favor.
What did I do?
You are distracted. Eh? You're not looking at the speed. I'm seeing you
2A
from
equal 2A plus 120 equals 600.
here.
And that we'll collect like that will be 2A equals to 600 and 600 minus 120. That
Good.
is
Which
equal
is
2A equals to 480.
are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Very, very sure.
Sir, is 480. Yes, sir.
Good. I like that. You are standing your ground. You are very, very sure. That's a good thing. So 480. So A will now be equal to what?
480, and this one was saying 360.
Eh?
When? Sorry. When? Which one? Say when? Eh.
So you have forgotten that you have to divide by 2.
Mm.
Eh? You have forgotten.
I got the answer, I got it. 204.
So that means Ade's own is what? Ade's own is what? 240, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, but there's
Remember,
no 200 in this question.
calm down now. Are we done? Ade's own is 240 and Afi's own is what?
Loan is 120.
No. 240 plus 120 is what?
What is it? 360.
Eh? 240 plus 120 is what?
308. 360, not 380. Understand your graph of 360.
You people are very, 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 very wonderful. Add that. What do you have? 240 plus what? 120 will give me what?
360.
So, who was saying that there's no option like that?
It's Madam Faith. There's
Did
no
he say?
option like 120, 136. What
Where
is
did
this
you get?
I'm seeing here? 240. Abi, there's
So,
no option like that here. Madam Faith. I don't do anything to you.
is there anybody that has questions on how we solve this? Because this is a very simple question. Any question on how we solve this? Hmm?
No.
Favor, talk now. Oh.
No, sir. Sir,
Okay.
can we write?
Yes, right. Go ahead.
A plus 120 equals to 600. 2A plus 120 equals to 600 equals to 2. So I made a mistake.
What's the mistake?
Yes,
I mean,
now what is mistake? 2A is
Good.
1A plus 1A is no. I know he did not write the 2A here.
Are you happy now? I've written it.
I know, sir, I'm happy. So you sad? I'm not sad. I'm in a moody mood. Because of you. Studying so much. I want to go outside. Yeah, you. You use yellow for me. Oh, please. Oh, exactly. I got my Angela myself. Special what her own. She and mommy daddy.
Okay.
It's like you're still singing. You know you that brought it here. I did not sing. Single. Oh, single.
Okay, so I guess we're done. Um, what time do you suggest we should have our coding class? Can we do our coding class at
2 o'clock.
1 o'clock,
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
No, sir, not 2 o'clock. Oh,
2 o'clock, I will be in another class.
2:30.
That is it.
This one want to use the whole time to sleep. I'm not
Can we
using the whole time to sleep because when I go to Mama Philo,
Okay,
2:30. I'm
okay.
not even. Mom said she was not going again. You know, yeah. When she said that, well, I don't know. I'm not mom. I'm not. I don't know what she decided that.
So can we do 12:30? Would you be ready?
Okay. Okay.
So what did you say?
No, we said okay. Favorite singing is a song that they introduced us in the mock exam.
The song.
Education development is Shalala TV one by one. Affairs has cause. What do you say? Affairs has Jesus. Yes, affairs. Jesus, you say affairs. Yes, affairs. Affairs. No. Affairs is that school that we went to. Diaz. Affairs 16. Education development means to have a wonderful weekend. Week.
Okay.
You know sometimes.
So you should be singing that song to yourself so that you remember what education is.
Education development.
Okay. All right. So see you at 12:30.
Yes, sir.